Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to recover your disabled account on Facebook. I'm going to show you the step-by-step process. Now firstly, you need to download a VPN in your cell phone. In my case, I have already downloaded SuperVPN. Now why don't you go ahead and turn it on. Now once you have turned on the VPN, just go to your Google browser and type accessing and downloading. A little disclaimer, your internet might work slow while using VPN. Now in the results, you will see the first link of Facebook accessing and downloading. Click on it. Select account access and troubleshooting. In the second option, select my account has been disabled. Now proceed. Once you're on the next page, you have to enter your email and your full name. Now once you tap on send, you will receive an email from Facebook. Now go to your Gmail. Once you're in the Gmail, you'll find an email from Facebook. Now you have to respond back to Facebook explaining the whole issue. Now in the subject, you have to enter Facebook account disabled. Now, just proceed with the whole request. And hopefully Facebook is going to reach out to you in a couple of days and fix your issue. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe.